Again for the Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Molly Clark and Greg Fellerman with us. Great to see both of you.
Great to see you
Nice
too.
to be
You
here.
guys have been keeping busy. What were you up to, Greg?
Very busy. I think it was last week. We were at State Street Elementary School. We did Read Across America. Here's a picture of us at the school with Alex and myself. All the kids were great. They had shirts on. We talked about the law. They loved it. Thank you. Hopefully we can come back next year. It's great.
Such a great time with those kids. Well, thanks for doing that, being part of the community, and for helping out our viewers with the questions. Let's get to today's from Chris in Pittston. He says, my brother suffered a brain injury after a crash. I want to file a claim to recover for his injuries and damages. What can I do? Molly, want to start us off?
Sure, I'd love to. Chris, I'm sorry that you're going through that your brother's going through that. It's actually a pretty simple procedure. What you would need to do is become a guardian and do a guardianship petition. It's fairly simple to do that. You go through the orphans court. I don't know if it's in Luzerne County. It's probably where we would have to do it. And then once you become the guardian, then you can go ahead and proceed on your brother's behalf and open a claim and start a case and do what you can to collect on his injuries and damages.
Yeah. It's a fairly simple procedure. We do them all the time, but it's unfortunate when you have these brain injuries because what it's basically saying is the victim does not have the ability to really help themselves, so you have to get the courts involved to get people to help them so they can file the claim and have someone on their behalf make sure everything is being done correctly. And it happens. Unfortunately, these brain injuries are very, very tough cases because when you look at somebody with a brain injury, sometimes they look fairly normal and they're broken on the inside. So a lot of people forget about that, but they're tough cases, and I think, with what you have going on, you definitely need to pick up his phone, give us a call.
Absolutely.
All right, so yes, pick up the phone, give them a call. Fellerman and Ciarimboli, Molly Clark in today, and Greg Fellerman. Thank you guys so much for your time.
Thank you.
All right, if you have questions for the Law and You, you can go to pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.